In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix software installation error in Windows 10 and 11. First, go here and type in registry editor. And now you want to go here all the way up and go to edit and then find, and then here, so edit, find, and here you want to type in the name of the software you're trying to install. So let's say, for example, I'm trying to install Epic Games and it's not installing. Click next, and here for every instance you find it, you simply right click and delete it. And for every instance, so let's say you find this first instance, you delete it, the second one you also delete it, and then keep on deleting until you basically delete all of the entries of this folder. So here, as you can see, this is the launcher, for example. We're gonna delete it. So once you finish deleting every entry in the registry for this folder, the Epic Games folder, you can try and reinstall it, and hopefully this would work. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.